the biggest water tank. Ascending to new heights with this insane machine. Welcome to Build Tech, your home for incredible machinery, agriculture, and much more. If you are looking to learn the latest and greatest on this topic, make sure to stay with us until the end. As we embark on our journey, our first stop brings us to the Sleipner E550 transportation system. A marvel of engineering and design, the E550 combines strength, precision, and performance to tackle the most demanding transportation needs. This machine is more than just its physical robustness. It's a testament to human ingenuity in the realm of heavy-duty transportation. Under the hood, the E550 boasts an array of high-tech features meticulously crafted by Sleipner's design team. Fuel efficiency optimization, ride smoothness, and load management systems are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to this machine's capabilities. However, the E550 isn't just about technical prowess, it's also about providing a user-friendly experience. To illustrate, let's talk about the E550's operator interface. Sleipner has gone above and beyond to ensure that the E550's controls are intuitive and accessible, reducing operator fatigue and boosting efficiency. The onboard diagnostic systems provide real-time feedback on the machine's performance, enabling operators to optimize their usage and troubleshoot any issues quickly. Next on our itinerary is the DB120 trailer-based transport system. This isn't just a machine, it's a paradigm shift in the transport industry. Seamlessly merging efficiency, reliability, and cutting-edge technology, the DB120 redefines what a transport system can be. As we peel back the layers of the DB120, its innovative design elements begin to shine. From a state-of-the-art navigation system to a plush driver's cabin, every feature is meticulously designed to maximize comfort and minimize strain on the operator. But comfort and ease of use aren't the only things the DB120 brings to the table. The DB120 also prioritizes sustainability. Its advanced engine design reduces emissions without compromising performance, making it an eco-friendlier choice for heavy-duty transportation. Additionally, the DB120 is designed for easy maintenance, reducing downtime and extending the machine's lifespan, another win for sustainability. Moving forward, our journey leads us to the SW450 heavy-duty transport trailer with swing wheel technology. As imposing as its name suggests, this machine is reshaping the landscape of heavy-duty transportation, setting new standards for maneuverability and control. At the heart of the SW450's revolution is its swing wheel technology. This groundbreaking feature affords unprecedented maneuverability, allowing the SW450 to navigate even the most challenging terrain with ease. But the SW450's innovative features don't stop there. Safety is a paramount consideration in the design of the SW450. Equipped with an array of sensors and advanced braking systems, the SW450 ensures safe operation even under the most challenging conditions. This focus on safety is just another example of how the SW450 is leading the way in the heavy-duty transportation industry. Venturing further into the field of agricultural and land management tools, we encounter the heavy-duty chopper roller from Ebruin. This specialized piece of machinery is designed for residue management after crop harvesting, making it an indispensable asset for efficient and sustainable farming operations. The chopper roller stands out because it breaks down crop residues into smaller pieces, promoting faster decomposition and returning valuable nutrients to the soil. This process not only enriches the soil but also aids in controlling pests and diseases, contributing to overall farm productivity and sustainability. Moreover, the chopper roller's robust design ensures that it can withstand the rigors of farm work, affirming its durability and reliability. It's an excellent example of how innovative farming tools can significantly enhance operational efficiency and promote sustainable agricultural practices. The heavy-duty chopper roller from Ebruin is indeed a game-changer, setting new standards for efficiency and sustainability in farming. Transitioning now from transport systems, we dive into the world of the Caterpillar water tank. This seemingly unassuming piece of machinery plays a critical role in construction and mining sites, proving that not all heroes wear capes. Some come equipped with robust water storage and delivery systems. Engineered for efficiency and durability, the Caterpillar water tank boasts features that make it an essential addition to any work site. Its design allows for efficient water storage and delivery, reducing downtime and improving productivity. Yet the ingenuity behind this machine extends beyond its primary function. Consider the Caterpillar water tank's advanced temperature control system, designed to keep water at optimal temperatures under varying climatic conditions. This feature not only ensures the availability of usable water at all times, but also prolongs the tank's lifespan by preventing damage caused by freezing or overheating. It's features like these that underscore Caterpillar's attention to detail and commitment to innovation. Next up, we explore the Panther Series 2 low loader. Don't let its unassuming profile fool you. This machine is a powerhouse in the realm of heavy-duty transportation. With its robust design and advanced load management capabilities, it is adept at handling the most demanding transport tasks. The Panther Series 2 low loader's design is a masterclass in efficiency and functionality. Its low-profile structure not only facilitates easy loading and unloading, but also enhances stability during transit. However, this machine's standout features extend beyond its physical design. In addition to its structural advantages, the Panther Series 2 also boasts an advanced suspension system designed to absorb shocks and vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. This feature not only protects the load from potential damage, but also contributes to the overall safety and reliability of the machine. Further proof of Panther's commitment to excellence and innovation. Our journey now brings us face to face with the titan of the mining industry, the 797F mining truck. A sight to behold, this colossal machine is a testament to the sheer power and determination that drives the mining sector. Its towering presence is only matched by its extraordinary performance and resilience. The 797F comes packed with features aimed at maximizing productivity and efficiency in tough mining conditions. Its powerful engine and spacious dump body are designed to handle large volumes of material, thereby optimizing workflow at mining sites. Yet the appeal of the 797F extends beyond its performance. To manage the intense heat generated by its powerful engine, the 797F is equipped with a high-efficiency cooling system. This system not only keeps the truck running smoothly, but also contributes to the machine's overall longevity. It's clear that the 797F is not just a mining truck, it's a well-rounded, high-performing solution built to withstand the rigors of the mining industry. As we delve deeper into the world of mining, we encounter the Bella's mining dump trucks. These mighty machines have been engineered to conquer the most demanding mining environments, combining raw power with state-of-the-art technology to deliver top-tier performance. The unique strength of Bella's dump trucks lies in their power and versatility. Equipped with heavy-duty engines and reinforced dump bodies, they can easily handle the rigors of transporting large volumes of material. But the capabilities of these trucks extend far beyond their impressive strength. With a focus on operator comfort and safety, Bella's mining dump trucks feature spacious, ergonomic cabins fitted with state-of-the-art control systems. Advanced suspension systems ensure a smooth ride, while comprehensive safety features, including automatic braking systems and load stability monitors, add an extra layer of security. It's these integrated systems that make Bella's dump trucks a preferred choice for mining operations. Our exploration now takes us into the territory of Liebherr's suite of mining and earth-moving equipment. With a reputation for power, reliability, and efficiency, Liebherr's machines are making significant strides in both the mining and construction sectors. Liebherr's equipment lineup spans a broad range, from excavators and loaders to dozers and dump trucks, each equipped with advanced features. But what's equally fascinating is the underlying philosophy that guides Liebherr's approach to equipment design and construction. Liebherr places a strong emphasis on sustainable operation. This is evident in its machines' energy-efficient engines, reduced noise emissions, and advanced systems for minimizing environmental impact. Furthermore, Liebherr's equipment is designed with operator safety and comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic controls and safety systems that meet the highest industry standards. As we ascend to new heights, let's turn our attention to Liebherr's high cranes. These towering machines are a symbol of human ingenuity, designed to take on the most demanding lifting tasks with grace and precision. They are a testament to Liebherr's commitment to pushing the boundaries of engineering and design. Liebherr's high cranes come packed with innovative features. Their modular design allows for easy transportation and assembly, while advanced control systems ensure precise operation. However, the uniqueness of Liebherr's high cranes extends beyond their impressive lifting capabilities. At the core of Liebherr's high cranes is a focus on operator safety and comfort. The cranes come equipped with ergonomic operator cabins that provide panoramic views, ensuring maximum visibility. Furthermore, they incorporate advanced safety systems, including overload protection and emergency stop functions, underscoring Liebherr's commitment to operator safety. Last but certainly not least, we'll take a look at the Tesmac Rock Hog. This rugged machine is a force to be reckoned with in the world of rock excavation and trenching, combining raw power with precision to deliver exceptional performance. The Rock Hog's standout feature is its robust cutting head, designed to chew through even the toughest rock formations with ease. This, combined with its powerful engine and robust construction, makes the Rock Hog an invaluable asset for excavation projects. But the Rock Hog isn't just about brute strength. Tesmac has designed the Rock Hog with operator comfort and safety in mind. The operator's cabin is spacious and ergonomically designed, while the machine's advanced control systems ensure smooth, precise operation. Furthermore, Tesmac has incorporated numerous safety features, including emergency stop systems and operator presence detection, highlighting the company's commitment to creating a safe and comfortable work environment. From the Sleipner E550 transportation system to the Tesmac Rock Hog, each of these machines offers unique features that push the boundaries of their respective fields. They are a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless drive to improve and innovate. These incredible machines that are revolutionizing the world of construction. Each of these machines plays a vital role in helping builders become more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us which machine was your favorite. Until next time, happy digging.